Today BRE hosted Matt Keogh, the Shadow Minister for Defence Industry, and Josh Wilson, Federal Member for Fremantle Labor Party. We also hosted Keith Rao from Lursen, Australia. The important part for BRE today was being able to demonstrate the skills and capabilities that we've developed over the previous years in being able to supply as an OEM to primes in the defence space. We've been able to manufacture goods and services which would have previously been manufactured overseas and compete with overseas suppliers as well as local suppliers to make sure that we're producing a high quality product that's suitable for our Defence Force.
BRE actively have about 50 personnel full-time engaged in the BA yard in Henderson, ranging right from thermal and acoustic insulation through structural fabrication, preservation, design and engineering. Since we've come on this journey, we've grown probably 70% over the last 2 years and seen incredible growth, and also put in a lot of new positions, managing quality, output, performance, and trying to deliver the best possible price and product to the Defence Force.
One of the things that stood out for me was the way in which BRE really takes things from the beginning to end. They're a design house, they're a manufacturing business, and they also provide that sustainment and support afterwards. We're not just talking about solely manufacturing off somebody else's design. They're doing the full work, and that is crucial because that's developing a sovereign capability here in Australia, not just about manufacturing, but designing the things that are needed for our Defence Force and to service our naval shipbuilding. I think what we've seen here with BRE is a great example of Western Australian ingenuity, a business that wasn't even here a decade ago, that's taken that great leap, have got themselves into the resources sector and then leveraged that to also get into the defence industry sector, taking that leap, working in partnership with a prime that has been prepared to work to develop a business into a new area in defence industry, and it is paying dividends for this business, but it's also paying dividends for WA industry, for their suppliers and the growth of capability here in WA.
What you know about these projects, shipbuilding projects, whether it's defence or commercial, they are almost the biggest and most sophisticated kind of manufacturing undertaking you can do. In the case of any individual vessel, literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of other businesses contributing components, design, expertise and manufactured outcomes. You get this incredible diversity of companies that will be doing work for those projects, but the work that they do for those projects sustains what they do in lots of other areas and helps us on one of the great tasks in Western Australia, which is economic diversification. Yes, we have mining and resources, but we need other things as well, and shipbuilding should 100% be part of that future.
Family, they're part of the Lursen family, okay? It's not a relationship between an SME and a prime, all right? There's a bond over there. And this is a bond that we would like to cultivate with all our SMEs, all right? This is the relationship that we want to foster. Especially, I feel that should be the philosophy that should be maintained all the time.